Hey, it's a front left. Look at that. Got rid of the old front right. We got the correct one in. We're ready to put this head on. Turn off the music. Ethan and I are gonna strap onto our shoulders and we're gonna bring the motor over to this tire on two skateboards where we will install the clutch from behind it, and then when we're ready we will join these two in holy matrimony. Shall we film it? Let's do it. Today is April 16th. As you can see, we've got our little makeshift paint booth that we're almost done masking off. We got the bay prepped. We got the motor and trans put together, all assembled. Michigan Motorsports just overnighted us some coil pack relocation brackets so that we can actually display our new Texas Speed American flag valve covers. This is going to keep the coil packs tidied up, looking good. This is not the Michigan Motorsports coil pack stuff, but this is also exciting because I was looking forward to this coming in too. This is our Dash 12 ORB to Dash 10 AN catch can kit. This is from Texas Speed. They sent us their 63-pound injectors. High horsepower, either major displacement or boost application injectors here. Fuel injector connection. Look at that. See, this is what all injector companies should do. Invest like, $5, $10 into a little USB to send out when somebody spends $500 on a set of fuel injectors to make sure they don't blow up their engine. That's awesome. Just to clarify, we didn't need this, okay? We had the information on a piece of paper, we inserted all the data values, but that's pretty cool too.
Texas Speed.
That's awesome.
Oh, this camera's awesome, man.
Do you like it?
It's so nostalgic of the GH5.
Oh, you see that? I think it's the spit and slip technique. Don't ask me how I learned that. Oh yeah, he's gonna appreciate that. I tell you what. So nice. Done.
That's all it takes.
Okay, we've got the engine bay primed, and we're gonna do a final coat of primer, and then we'll paint it tomorrow when it's fully cured. So guys, bit of a curveball, but the company that was sponsoring was actually in fact the title sponsor of our drift program this year has dissolved. So we're gonna take the sticker off and we're replacing this livery with an American flag livery. Jack here, being patriotic as fuck, applying the red stripes, doing the honors.
Working hard for America.
Yeah.
Bald eagles and freedom, baby.
We're going to turn a negative into a positive. Unfortunately, we are going to be removing the logo, like I said. But we'll be replacing this with an American flag. Over this gray stripe will be more red and white. We're going to run some stars on here. And I think this car is going to look pretty awesome, especially because it's going to match these valve covers here. These here Johnnies, I'm looking forward to it.
Wake up in the morning, we piss excellence.
That's about right.
That's what America does.
Alright, the engine bay is now painted and we're ready to slide in the powertrain. If you come to the front of the motor, you can see. Alright, this is how to install a motor and a transmission with a skateboard. Okay.
Trying to shred.
Wait. Okay, go ahead.
So we're gonna slide over. Alright. Good though. What we should do is connect the transmission crossover now from under the car. Raise the car up with a ratchet strap on the motor to make sure the motor lifts with it. Then we'll remove.
That way the training drops a little bit.
Well, then we'll be able to remove the tire and dolly from under the train. Dude.
You know what's going on, baby.
Alright, that's good. Ugly yellow ratchet strap in the way, but. I need to put that right here. Bar, like this. Yeah, up this time. Yeah, you're good now. All the way up. The great advantage to having this engine stand up here with the ratchet straps or chains or whatever you trust most, this allows us to raise the car and then we're gonna slip the front subframe effortlessly under the car. We're gonna lower the car back down. It's gonna just make for a nice, simple, easy install. We're now wheeling over the front subframe of the car. This is the proper way to do this, by the way, guys. Alright, sure. Ham son. We're doing a conclusion video here.
We're winning, baby.
We're winning. All right, listen. Oh my goodness, we've got the motor with the freshly painted engine bay.
These stars, baby, they're gonna shine. I'm telling you.
Look at this. The car is now, oh my goodness. We need Zwing 2024 on the side of this car.
Bang her in. She needs that love.
Look at that.